Hello friends, I am Sunil Kumar. Today I want to discuss about how to do and when to do call buying. At the time of purchasing the call, many factors to be considered. In that, top priority point is finding the trend of VIX and Nifty. This is very important. How to know the trend of Nifty and VIX? We need to consider indicators like super trend, ATR trailing stop losses, and RSI, ADX line, and DI plus line and DI minus line. Closing should be above ATR trailing stop loss line and super trend line in both the day and hourly charts. To know the strong momentum, we need to consider ADX line. It should be in increasing mode. And RSI also, it should be more than in 60. And DI line, DI positive line should be above DI negative line. These parameters we need to consider in both the charts. Now I am showing three charts, screenshots of three charts. First one, Nifty July chart. Here closing is above super trend ATR trailing stop losses and RSI is more than 60. ADX line also it's increasing mode. DI positive line is greater than DI negative. And I am showing India VIX screenshot also, but this is old chart. To educating purpose, I have selected old one. At present, India VIX is in decreasing mode. At the time of taking the screenshot, this is India VIX is in increasing mode. That means closing price of India VIX is greater than super trend and ATR trailing stop losses, and RSI and ADX also showing increasing mode signs. And we need to consider option price chart also. There it should be option price should be in increasing mode. That means it should be above super trend ATR trailing stop losses. We need to consider RSI and ADX also. Without considering all these charts, we should not buy the call. Buying the call means we are swimming against all the odds. So, while selecting the call strike also, we need to consider many points. We should never buy the OTM calls. Prefer ATM and ITM option strikes, that too monthly only. We need to consider, we should keep it in mind, we are going against time while buying the options. Our bias should be 100% correct to get the profit. Please don't prefer weekly strikes while buying. our main motto should be capital preservation. How to do that one? We need to keep strict stop losses and we need to consider ATR trailing stop loss line. So we can preserve the capital and we need to constantly track the VIX trend to know the IV crush. So without tracking the VIX in hourly and daily charts, we may not deal with IV crush. IV crush leads very fast option price decay. So even if underlying is moving according to our bias, but we may not get the profit by purchasing the call. So we need to track continuously in hourly and daily charts of chart of VIX. And we need to consider other points also, like future buildup of underlying, that is Nifty. Nifty price should be in increasing mode and option open interest also, it should be in rising mode. We need to buy only ATM or ITM strikes to have more intrinsic value, and PCR also, it should be in increasing mode. At the time of purchasing call option, that day it should be in positive. That is very, very important. And change in open interest of that selected strike should be decreasing mode. This is very reliable in intraday option buying trading. This is a small tip while doing the intraday trading. So we need to consider all these points while buying the call. Thank you.